Hello, dear traveler. I haven't recorded anything for almost 3 weeks. I had very interesting time, and I guess I'll get into it in maybe another videos. But I just got another thought today, and it just culminated from one of the video I started to watch about brain development. And I realized, or I just remembered, when I was young, I was talking to my brother, and I was telling him that why don't we uh, have some type of manual, like we come to this world, and then you buy so many products and other things, and there is always like how to use it, what to do with it, how to care for it. But we we come here and like nothing. You need to figure it out yourself, and the way how you figure it out is that you are looking at others, and very often you start using what are other people's doing, and you have no idea if it's good or not. It seems like it's working, but we are as a human so complex that sometimes we do things which are not working at all, especially in the long run. In the moment it might look like, yeah, that this is great. So I was always, like desiring something what would tell me how I work, like what to do. It really bit comes from my perfectionist tendencies, because I wanted to do it right and I wanted to do it correctly. But now I'm realizing, especially over the last months and whenever, sometime, I'm realizing that actually we got to the era or stage where there is so much information about how the human work. How are we processing? How are emotions working? How is our body functioning? And if we, spend some time to digging in it, as I did, and I am kind of learning more and more about the human body and about the mind, uh, I'm realizing there is so much I can do, and so many things I can do so much, let's say, better, more efficient, more, and not even just that, but enjoying it so much more, because they are then aligned with the body. It's like that you would buy some product, and sometimes I see some people, they do it, they just buy, they don't read the manual, they don't even look at it, they just think that they know how it works. Then they keep using it, and then they are missing the main features, or they are missing some other things which it can do really well. I'm not saying it's wrong, like, yeah, if you enjoy it, but there is so much more, and it can really improve. If it would be like, yeah, whatever. But if there are things which can really improve your quality of life, and the quality of your day, and quality of your experience, let's say, that you are not being depressed, frustrated, angry, and arguing most of your day, but you are in this, like acceptance and, let's say, emotional balance, and you are just enjoying the experience however it goes. And here I came also to another thought, which is like, the society, let's say, we've created, it is a product of humanity, and we know a lot about it. We if you want or not, it is basically forced on you. That's what they teach us in a school. They tell us how many of these things work, and where are we, and how do we fit, and they put us on some level or scale and tell us, how we need to behave to get somewhere. So we are basically using a product which we have, or we are humans, so we have helped to create it. But we know more about the product than we know about the maker. And it can be okay, sometimes you buy something, you don't need to know who makes things, but in this case you are making it. You are constructing your day every day. You are basically creating your life experience every day. And so often, and so many people have no idea how they do it. They have no idea that actually they can choose how they want to do it, that they have immense power how to experience and construct the life. And of course, in some ways, if you start doing this, you go a little bit of in a clash of the societal program, because societal program is not really at this stage made for empowered and self exploratory people. It much more enjoys like let's say sheep system, where everybody go to work, make money, pay the taxes, 5 days at work, 2 days at home. But that's one of the possibilities how the world can work. This is another topic. But here what I wanted to say is that the information is out there. We are living in an information era. Many of us have access to internet or books. There's so many brilliant books, and you can really learn about yourself if you want to. It is not easy as anything. It's like learning a new language, to getting to like, learning how to operate nuclear power plant. It takes bloody time, years, maybe decades. But with every new, piece of data, you can do it better and better. And then it runs smoother, it's more efficient, and it's more enjoyable. So, if you don't like something about your life, the complaining about it, I understand. I'm doing it very often too. But don't stay there. There is a way out. If you dive deep, you understand why are you complaining, and there are always things which you can do to change it. It doesn't mean you're gonna fix it, but at the end, at least you can always change the approach. I know this is a lot on one person, saying that we hold all the power. We do, we always did, but it was, we couldn't use it because the system doesn't like it, the way how we are brought up. It's, we are not empowered in this way, but as adults, you can take it back. So if you want to change something, it's your work, it's your life, and you're gonna have to do it. Oh, that was an interesting topic. I love mainly when I'm recording these videos how I'm beautifully talking to myself. And again, if you have something from it, brilliant. You have a beautiful day wherever you are, whatever you do. And I'll see you in the next carriage, whatever it will be. Thank you for listening.